Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to remove photo background in iPhone. If you are using any of iPhone and you want to remove background of any of your photos using your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that without any third-party app. You just have to simply open your Photos app. Now in Photos, just scroll down and look for the photo which you want to remove background. So let's say I'm gonna select this one. Just select the photo and then give a long press on the object from where you want to remove the background. So I have selected this one. Now you just have to scroll, or here you have to use your second finger to go back. Now just scroll down and here release it on any empty place. So once I've done, it will be added to your Photos app without any background. You can see that this photo hasn't any background now. So in this way, you can easily remove background from any of your photos on iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.